Wait, did your phone just buzz with a blue alert? Here's what it really means.
A blue alert is an emergency warning sent out when a police officer is seriously injured, killed, or missing in action. It helps authorities quickly find the suspect by alerting the public with critical details. Unlike an Amber Alert for missing kids, a Blue Alert focuses on protecting law enforcement officers.
Have you ever received a blue alert? Drop your state in the comments and follow for more quick news breakdowns.